Alright, what's up guys, it's Kurt from Stadium Goods. So today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Dunk Low in the University Red colorway. But before we get into the review of these really cool shoes, I want to give you guys basically a rundown of the history of the Nike Dunk, just because the Nike Dunk has basically surged back in popularity. It's really crazy. You could thank, celebrities like Travis Scott, Kylie Jenner, all of those celebrities. You could thank them for the prices of dunks going up and just dunks coming back. Personally, I never thought dunks would be coming back, but here we are, it's 2020 and dunks are back. Basically, the first colorways of the Nike Dunk were top tier basketball schools such as Michigan, Kentucky, Syracuse, Villanova, you name it. And the only dunk to come out when it was first dropped was the Nike Dunk High. The Nike Dunk Low was then introduced later on, and then the Nike Dunk Mid was introduced when the Nike SB line became about in around 2002. Not saying that the Mid dropped in 2002, but then it came later on after that. So let's just get into a review of these shoes. So it comes in a regular red Nike sportswear box, just like the other Dunks. And then here we have it. We have the St. John's, or the University Red Dunks, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm gonna be going with St. John's. So here it is. This is the Nike Dunk Low in the St. John's colorway. So let's get into a review. So the full upper of the shoe is a full grain leather. Around here on the toe box, it's red full grain leather. Going up to here, its eyelids is a full grain leather as well in red. You have the flap right here, same thing. And then on the heel, same thing. Then on heel tab, obviously, same thing. It's gonna be a white stitching on the heel tab right there. And then going up into the front of the shoe, it is a white full grain leather toe box with the perforated leather right there. And then you have red laces. If you don't like the red, personally I'm gonna be wearing it with the red. You have a choice of white Nike laces. Whichever lace choice you pick, they're gonna look sick. I'm gonna be keeping red. And then on the tongue, you have a white canvas right there. You have a white tongue tab with the red stitching right there. On the insole of the shoe, it is a University Red inside, and then you have the white Nike branding right there. And then moving on to the midsole of the shoe, it is a classic white, super white midsole with a white stitching right there. And then you have that University Red bottoms. This is definitely a good summer shoe. I had to pick these up just because I just graduated from St. John's, so this was definitely a must for me. So while we're at it, since this is part of the Be True to Your School pack, Nike did drop two other colorways that basically resemble two schools. There's going to be this Kentucky and the Syracuse colorways. This is the Syracuse colorway, and this is the Kentucky colorway. So shout out to Mercer and Kith. I was able to get both of these from them. So they showed love on all three of these actually. And then this is all three of them side by side. Super nice pack. If I had to choose which shoe is my personal favorite, I like all three equally, but to be honest, I'm probably gonna be leaning towards the Syracuse colorway just because I feel like the orange is just super nice. It's a very vibrant color, but then again, it just, I don't know, it just completes the white on this. It's so nice. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna be choosing these over the three, but I have all three, so I like all three. Also, another crazy thing, so you know how I mentioned to you guys that this had white laces, so there's only a Nike branding right there on the lace bag, but then on the Kentucky and the Syracuse pair, the lace bag is detached, and then it's Nike SB branding on the lace bag. So I'm not sure why Nike even included this for the Kentucky and the Syracuse ones, and then they just did it normally for the St. John's Dunks. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. Like I said, personally the Syracuse one's gonna be my favorite, but I want to know what you guys think your favorite out of the three colors. You can pick these up at our regular flagship store on 47 Howard Street. Basically check out our website at stadiumgoods.com, but definitely if you're shopping online, I would download the app. It is available on our iOS store and the Google Play store. We're constantly updating the app for you guys with new shoes, new clothing, new accessories, new everything. So there's gonna be always something new every day. So you guys should be checking it every day for possibly something that you didn't see the other day, but now it comes up the next day. Follow us on all social media platforms as well, such as Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Even on TikTok, we've recently been making a bunch of TikToks. You guys have been giving us a lot of good feedback on our TikToks, so we'll be continuing to make more. Just follow us on all our social media platforms, and that's pretty much it.